Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to set up your sales tax center in QuickBooks Online. It's gonna be very easy and simple video. So first you can log into your QuickBooks Online account, and then in the main dashboard, you can navigate to the all apps here in the left side of your screen, and it will open all of your available apps. Now you can go to sales tax section and click the overview, and then in the sales tax overview, as you can see, you can set up your new and improved sales tax centers. So you can just click get started here, and then you can set up your address. If you think it's all right, you can just click next. And then now you have to, apply multiple rates to an agency. So you can just choose the agency. So let's say I'm in Alabama in the maybe Paham, and then you can just choose the text right here. Let's say I want to check all, and then you can select for an agency one by one if you want. It's up to you, and then click next, and then make sure it's all right. You can change it if you want, and then you can click save, and you are all set. You can just click continue, and then it will be done. So as you can see, it's not working because I'm using demo account here. So yeah, so I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.